What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, have you ever imagined about the astronauts that hang out and also maybe buying some stuff, maybe the drink and also food in the cafe in the moon? Yes guys, in this video I would like to share you how to create this picture, and a lot of extra astronauts over here kind of hang out together and having the meal and drinks in the diner cafe. How to create this one? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to try another AI or another platform such as the Gemini AI and maybe the Dreamina, Quen AI, and a lot of AI tools out there, it is very okay. You can go and do the exploration with this, and don't worry because here I will also share you the prompt to create this picture guys. And if you would like to try this one in the Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email, and you will have access to try this Nano Banana. And I will click this one, and you don't need to upload the reference picture. You just need this prompt, and don't worry because I will also share you this prompt into the description box. Well, basically the prompt will be like this guys. Hyper-realistic cinematic scene of a classic retro American diner on the surface of the moon, and also the chrome metal exterior with the red neon diner sign glowing. I will show you the output over here. And also the 1950s vintage style. This is the diner cafe, and also the astronauts in white space suits casually hanging out outside the diner, and some sittings at small round table eating the food, and also some standing and chatting, and also the harsh crisp shadow the bright sunlight from the space, and also Earth visible large in the distant sky. This one, and also stars in deep black background, and also another small lunar lander and in the distance, and extremely detailed texture of lunar dust surface, and also high clarity ultra sharp 8K science fiction surreal but realistic aesthetic. So you can start to give this prompt a screenshot or simply copy it from the description below, and after that you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here. Basically this is the same prompt that I used before to create this picture. However, I will be honest with you because by using the same prompt you can also have the different look, but basically still the same in one theme or in one look like this. And after that you can continue to click download, and it will be ready to share into your social media. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.